So I have been using Google AI Studio for a very long time since it was first came into existence, but I have not been using Gemini on their app platform. That's the customer facing, consumer facing Gemini.google.com, that is. But I have been using the AI Studio.google.com. But so far I was more or less kind of thought or kind of believed or kind of sensed that Google AI Studio is better than the client facing Gemini. So, just wanted to check in with all of you. So how is your experience with this? Whether am I right that Gemini 3 is actually better at Gemini models in general, better on AI Studio than the consumer facing Gemini app? So this is the uh, app I am talking about, the consumer facing Gemini.google.com app. And then we have the Google AI Studio, aistudio.google.com. We can have all the models here as well as here, but there is a Reddit thread debate that has been going on, and most of the people here agreeing that the system prompt in the Gemini app is kind of making it more user friendly. So, but not like degrades, but not like up to the mark performance, not its highest performance. Many people are agreeing with this because there's many scaffolding on this, and this one is like comparatively a raw version of the app, and using it in Gemini becomes lazy. The answer in AI Studio is much more elaborate. Somebody says here. Someone is saying that there is also benefits of using it in the app too. There are bugs, etc. But consensus is kind of AI Studio is better. So I also asked Google and Google AI mode and Gemini and AI Studio. So all of them also mentions that Google AI Studio is almost always better place for raw thinking, complex problem solving, and testing pure capabilities of Gemini 3, according to Gemini app. Now, the Google AI Studio, I asked the same question, and it says that better on Google AI Studio for complex and creative tasks. Advanced app is optimized for conversational utility and ecosystem integration, integrated with Gmail, Google Workspace, etc. Is better integrated through the Gemini app versus the AI Studio. So yeah, let me know your thoughts on this. I also tested a very complicated, what can I say, task, which the ChatGPT 5.1 failed terribly. I gave it a random fruit-like thing that I collected from a nearby plant that was growing on a building. ChatGPT failed terribly, even after like multiple attempts and giving it hints. It couldn't point out the fruit or the vegetable or whatever. It was like giving it all sorts of similar things, but not what it exactly is. It couldn't get it actually. But Gemini and Google AI Studio both got the identification right on the very first attempt. It's a creeping fig fruit, and AI Studio also rightly said that it's a creeping fig fruit. And what I found out that the output, the character count on the Gemini AI Studio is slightly more than the character count of the Gemini app. But the thinking tokens, thinking character count generated on the AI Studio was lesser than the Gemini app. And also, it was thinking on the Gemini app, it was thinking for a very, very long time compared to Google AI Studio. So all of this, I maybe the thinking was due to its system prompt, as people mentioned, because it is a consumer facing. There are lots of secondary, lots of issues that it needs to go through, pass through, to make it more, safe or more chat friendly, etc. And as it is the raw version, it might not be like going through those initial checks and balances. That's why the thinking might have been faster. and tokens lesser. So yeah, that's kind of thing that I was actually thinking and wanted to share with you. So let me know your thoughts on the comments. Thank you.